What's going on, guys? It's Kyle from Big Money Mindset. I got a crazy stock to go over with you today. There's this stock that's been going around. I'm sure you've heard the hype, and it's Overstock. And man, this thing is taking off to the moon. I mean, it is crazy. I'm going to be going into a lot of things that have been happening with Overstock. Why I think it's a crazy buy right now. I mean, there's people even talking about this could potentially be like the next Amazon, which clearly is a little bit of an overstatement, but there's definitely a lot of opportunity in Overstock today, and I want to be going over that with you. As you can see, I got my stock market portfolio up today, and it was a really good day. Um, and basically, right now, the portfolio, is up 9%. We're up $1,500. We invested 16,500, so we got a little bit of a return. Guys, this is only after like a month. I picked a handful of stocks, like 20 stocks. This has a lot of room to grow. I got a couple of spec plays in there, like $4,000 in spec. And right now it's crazy. Like my best performing stock is actually Overstock. As you can see, I mean it's going crazy. I got in a little bit early, but this stock, it hit about $3, during the peak pandemic when it was crazy, and it's just shooting up right now like crazy. It's I got a 127% gain, and I think there's sky's the limit for this stock right now. I mean, it's crazy the type of hype it's getting. I'm gonna be going over to a couple of reasons why I invested in Overstock, what Overstock is, and basically it's an online retailer, and Motley Fool just put out a big article on it and saying, it was a 30 bagger in under 5 months. Here's why Overstock shares popped today, and obviously it was because their earnings went out, and they were insane. They were well over what the analysts expected, and basically this stock did hit an all-time low at 253. $2.53 on March 16th, and it shot all the way up to $70+ in no time. And basically, Overstock's total net revenue increased by 783 million in Q2. It's only generated $374 million last year, all 4 quarters. I mean, that is insane. It's literally doubled in 1 quarter than what it was doing last year for the entire year. So, there's no telling, how far this stock could go. And basically, it's just a online retailer. They pretty much have everything. Furniture, rugs, decor, home improvement, and let's see what's going on. The reason why I invested it is because there was this article that came out, and it was the federal government now turning to Amazon and Overstock for micro purchases, and this is right when I hopped in. So basically, this is like a contract for small businesses for purchasing pens, desks, chairs, other office needs that all fall within a $10,000 cap. And the reason why they're doing this, one second. Pretty much they're trying to monitor their expenses to a T for the government. They want to watch all of their spendings, and they feel like they're going to save a lot of money getting better deals with Overstock and Amazon rather than going to higher price retailers. So basically, Yahoo Finance just put out a little article, why Overstock is trading higher today, and this is July 30th, just so everybody's aware. The company recorded quarterly earnings of 84 cents per share, which is at least a 221% increase over losses. And once again, the quarterly sales were 783 million. So this is just one of those companies that is, as far as a pandemic, they don't feel it, they don't see it. The company thrives and does better, and is actually gaining market awareness. They got a big deal from the government. I mean, there's no telling, how big this stock can go. That's what I'm saying. I'm trying to get this out as soon as I can. The potential, this could easily in the next couple of weeks, be $100 plus stock, and depending on how long that contract goes for, this stock could go, we have no clue. It could go to the moon. You know, it's one of those stocks, and it's not a high speculation stock like these EVs. You know that you know have some of them have no earnings at all, like no revenue or losing money. I mean, this company is making money right now, and if you look over on Robinhood right now, basically, you know, there's not even a lot of investors knowing about this. So what I'm saying is this isn't hyped up on, you know, like a stock watch text by penny stock investors like go buy this now and rush to the stock. You know, this actually, you know, a lot of people haven't even really purchased this because Robinhood is where the, you know, the young investors are. Look, Kodak, we got, you know, um, 122,000 investors in Kodak, which literally barely had any a week ago. So what I'm trying to say is this is, you know, the company is not even overvalued at this time. This company could potentially be undervalued. Um, you know, there's not even a lot of younger generation crowd on it. So this wasn't, you know, a big spec stock, you know, penny stock. Let's ride the wave for 2 days. This stock has a lot of potential, is what I'm trying to tell you. You know, and it's just finally picking up the steam. You know, it already hit, you know, roughly $85 back in you know 2018, and it's just fallen off since. But you know, since they signed that contract, you know, that's exactly what I invested in because you want to go into stocks and plays with the government. You know, they're the ones that, you know, are the ones that are allowing all these companies to even, you know, thrive. So basically, you know, I just wanted to get this out as soon as possible. You can do a deeper dive into the company. Do your due diligence. You know, don't invest off of people just because, you know, they, you know, drop a video on YouTube. Just use the video to gather information. You know, that's what I'm here to do. You know, I'm trying to be transparent as possible with you. As you can see, you know, I'm opening up my entire portfolio to you guys. I'm not hiding anything. I'm not lying about my gains. But I just want to let you know, we're making money. You know, it's only been a matter of a month, and I think when my spec plays go take off, uh, his portfolio, I mean, I think I'm gonna double up. You know, no problem. My 16.5, I'm trying to get that to 30,000, like easy. And this isn't even a lot of spec in here, man. I got 80% of my stocks are, you know, growth stocks, technology stocks, and you know that's what I'm saying. My main focus is, you know, to help see others, you know, strive. You know, I want to see people make gains. You know, I want you know, everyone to you know, have a financial freedom. You know, that's the main goal I'm here for, and it feels good, you know, when you see someone, you know, life get a little bit easier, you know, with more income. You know, that's what it's all about. So we just got to play it smart. You know, throw in a little spec, of course, and you know, just try to grow. That's the main goal. So I just want to say thank you for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, I'm gonna be dropping a lot of you know, stocks that are potential you know, 2-3 Xers. You know, that's my goal. And you know, I just want to say thank you if you know, you enjoyed the video, and please like and subscribe. You know, drop me a comment. Give me some perspectives on stocks that you like, and you know, you have a great day. All right, take care.